The jollyphonic song for letter A is ants on my arm, ants on my arm, ants on my arm, they are causing me alarm. The action for letter A is pretend that ants are crawling on your arm. Jollyphonic song for letter B is bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. The action for letter B is pretend to hold a bat and hit the ball. The jollyphonic song for letter C is we are clicking castanet, we are clicking castanet. We are clicking castanet, clicking castanet. We are clicking castanets. The action for letter C is pretend that you have castanets in your hands and keep clicking. The jollyphonic action for letter D is see me play upon the drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with the da. See me play upon the drum. The action for letter D is pretend to play a drum. The jolly action for letter E is pretend to crack the egg on a frying pan. Okay, the jollyphonic song for letter F is my friend and I went to the beach with a floating fish. Got a hole, the air came out. The action for letter F is pretend to squeeze a balloon. The air comes out and the sound is. The jollyphonic song for letter G is the water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles round the drain with a The jollyphonic action for letter G is pretend that the water is going down the pipe. The jollyphonic song for letter H is I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. The jolly action for letter H is put your hand in front of your mouth and pretend that you are out of breath and say The jollyphonic song for letter I is Inky the spider is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky is wet. The jollyphonic song for letter J is jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? The jolly action for letter J is pretend that you are a jelly and jiggle. The jollyphonic song for letter K is kites are flying in the sky, kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. The jolly action for letter K is pretend that you are flying a kite and say k. Jollyphonic song for letter L is we lick a lollipop, we lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. The action for letter L is pretend to lick a lollipop. The jollyphonic song for letter M is the mom and dad make many meals. The mom and dad make many meals for their hungry children. The jolly action for letter M is you have eaten something very tasty and then put your hand on your stomach and say mmm, mmm. Polyphonic song for letter N is hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane making lots of noise. The jolly action for letter N is raise your arms, pretend that you are an aeroplane and then say The jollyphonic song for letter O is now it's dark and the lights goes on. Ah 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 ah. It's time to bed and the light goes off. Ah 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 ah. The jollyphonic action for letter O is pretend that you have switched on and off the light. Ah 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 ah. The jollyphonic song for letter P is puff out the candle on a pink big cake, pink big cake. Puff, puff. Puff out the candle on a pink big cake. Puff, 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 puff. The action for letter P is pretend that your finger is a candle and you puff it. Puff, puff. Now letter Q doesn't have a sound of its own. It has to be combined with another letter, that is U. So jollyphonic song is now for letter Q U. You can see all the words queen, quill, quilt, they all are with Q U. So the combined sound of Q U by jollyphonic goes the ducks in the pond quack 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 quack. The ducks in the pond quack 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 all around the pond. The jollyphonic action for combined QU is pretend to be a duck and then quack 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 quack. The jollyphonic song for letter R is see my puppy Rick the rag. Rrr, rrr. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. The jollyphonic action is pretend that there's a puppy with a rag in his mouth and you try to pull it. What he will do? Rrr, rrr. Okay, the jollyphonic song for letter S is the snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Now pretend that your hand is a snake and you hiss in. Jollyphonic song for letter T is when I watch a tennis match. When I watch a tennis match, my head goes back and forth. The action for letter T is pretend to watch a tennis match and your head will go. The jollyphonic song for letter U is up goes umbrella, up goes umbrella, up goes umbrella when it starts to rain. The jollyphonic action for letter U is pretend to open an umbrella and say The jollyphonic song for letter V is drive Wixman round the village, drive Wixman round the village, drive Wixman round the village. So the jolly action for letter V is pretend to drive a van. The steering wheel, hold a steering wheel and drive the van and say V. The jollyphonic song for letter W is I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing hard. The jolly action for letter W is pretend that you are holding some leaves in your hand and the wind is blowing. The jollyphonic song for letter X is, now X is made up of two sounds, K and S. Ks, ks. So jollyphonic song it goes ks, ks. Take an X-ray, ks, ks. Take an X-ray, ks, ks. Take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand. The jolly action for letter X is pretend to take have a camera and take an X-ray picture. Ks, ks. The jollyphonic song for letter Y is, I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. The jolly action is pretend that you're holding a yogurt cup and eating. Yeah. The jollyphonic song for letter Z is, did you ever see a bee buzz, bee buzz? Did you ever see a bee buzz, zzz, like this? So now the jolly action is pretend to be a honeybee and move your wings, zzz, zzz.